Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings on the Warface game. So let's get started right away. If you wish to change the mouse sensitivity settings on the Warface game within your device, then first of all open up the game on your device, and once it is opened up, from the main menu, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. You can also tap on the O button within your keyboard, and once you are inside the controls menu, you will see the mouse option, and you will also see the sensitivity bar. You can slide this to the right if you wish to increase sensitivity, and you can swipe this to the left if you wish to decrease it. After choosing your preferred sensitivity settings, you may also have the option to invert the Y-axis of your mouse. And after choosing your desired settings, tap on the apply button, and now your sensitivity settings will be applied onto your mouse controls right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings on the Warface game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.